Breaking now, a Ride the Ducks tour boat capsized in Missouri, killing 11 people, including children.
And we're tracking updates just coming in tonight and reaction from Ride the Ducks in Seattle. But first, I want to bring up the video coming in from Missouri tonight. Emergency crews say at least 5 people are still missing at this hour. 7 others still in a hospital, 2 in critical condition.
Around 30 people were on the boat when it capsized on Table Rock Lake near Branson, a popular tourist destination. Officials say there was a severe thunderstorm in the area and that it may have contributed to what happened. Divers have ended the search for the missing passengers until morning. And minutes ago, the NTSB said it's sending a team to investigate what happened. And Morgan, this is the latest tragedy for these amphibious vehicles.
Yeah, Mary, it's been almost 3 years since the Ride the Ducks crash on the Aurora Bridge, which killed 5 people. The Seattle company is still facing some lawsuits. Others have since been settled. Now, we did reach out to Ride the Ducks Seattle tonight. They tell us they are not affiliated with the operation in Branson. They are independently owned and operated companies. But a spokesperson tells us, quote, our condolences go out to those affected by what appears to be a weather-related accident in Branson, Missouri. They also tell us Ride the Ducks Seattle follows strict protocols for entering the water, taking into account wind speed, wave height, and the potential for any bad weather. The company added that their protocols are stricter than what the Coast Guard requires. When weather does affect safety, they cut out the water tour or change routes, and captains can modify the trips at any time.